Okay guys, back after blasting here for about 2 or 3 minutes. Just a real quick, easy process here with this fine mesh ceramic bead. We were able to clean every part, every nook and cranny of this piece. Even the threads, even the knurled areas. We had some paint here. We cleaned that off and polished the piece up. And just look how nice that is. And that's a piece that's ready to go back on the machine. So again, if you're rebuilding tools, you're rebuilding cars, motorcycles, it really doesn't matter. If you're rebuilding stuff and it needs to be cleaned up, it needs to be polished up, and it needs to be done quickly and easily, this is the process for you. Dust-free, chemical-free, you name it. I mean, it's great for the employees. We as business owners know how important that is in this day and time, to keep your employees safe and healthy so that they can come back and do their job every single day. So keep that in mind when you're looking at a process, something to change over your operation with. This is the process for you. If you want to talk more with me specifically, please email me or give us a call. I'll be glad to talk with you a little bit more on how we can help you out. Thanks for watching.